Hello everyone, I'm Charita, founder of Urja Wellness and Joy. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to present this reading by combining numerology, tarot cards and angel cards. The question I have asked is how would be next 6 months for the people whose date of birth number is 5 as per the numerology science. I'm repeating this question. How would be next 6 months, that is from June 2020 to December 2020, for the people whose date of birth number is 5 as per the numerology science. So let's first understand how to calculate this number. For example, if you are born on 23rd of May 1985, then we are taking into consideration number 23. Alright, this number is reduced to a single digit number by adding 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Alright guys, so that's how we arrive at date of birth number as per the numerology science. The numbers of birth, a month and the year are to be ignored. Alright guys, so number 5 guys, are you ready? Okay, so what I have done is I have made 3 piles, pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So what you have to do is you have to choose your pile. And how to choose a pile? Just follow your heart, instinctively, intuitively select your pile. So just close your eyes. Take a moment. Which number is popping up in your mind? 1, 2 or 3? Which flower is drawing your attention? Pink, white or red? Alright guys, so while you make a choice, I would like to share numerological insights about number 5 people. So number 5 means all those people who are born on 5th, 14th and 23rd of any month. So let me share numerological insights about number 5. If you guys are towards positive side of number 5 energy, then you guys are freedom loving, open-minded people. You love change, you love excitement, you love entertainment, you love any kind of movement, okay? You don't like to sit at one place for a long time. So 9 to 5 desk jobs are not for you all. You are good at communication, marketing, sales related fields, even event management and all. You guys tend to have a very sharp mind and you can easily grasp any new concepts. But you prefer practical methods of learning over the theoretical ones. So you guys can adapt to any change with ease. You can flow with life, alright? You don't usually resist any changes. You tend to quickly adapt to it. But if you guys are towards negative side of number 5 energy, then it is easy for you guys to succumb to any addictions or bad habits. Then you guys can play politics, you guys can avoid responsibilities. Then at times it happens that you guys tend to lose interest in projects or in relationships very quickly. So it is difficult for you to commit to a particular project or the finish the task in your hand. So the issues related to commitment or completing any projects you face usually when you are towards the negative side of number 5 energy. All the selected pile number 1 pink flower, here are the cards for you. These are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. Let's check messages one by one. So the first card you got is 10 of winter. Alright, so guys, if you are experiencing any difficulties or challenges in certain aspects of your life, then that painful situation, that traumatic situation is soon going to end. So this card is giving you a lot of hope, rather positive hope, and this card is telling you that the worst is now behind you. Okay, all right, so just stay relaxed guys. Whatever difficulties that you are experiencing will soon end. Next card you got is 6 of Michael. All right, this card is very much aligned with this 10 of winter. So if you guys are thinking how I'm gonna come out of this trouble that I'm experiencing, So Six of Michael is telling you that there are going to be some shifts and changes in your life. Okay, so on the face value you might feel, oh my god, I don't want to experience, I don't want to go through these changes. But however, since you have been asking that, just take me out of this shit, so as an answered prayer, all those changes are going to happen in your life. And this card is promising you that there is a much peaceful and smooth road ahead. Wow, that's wonderful. The next card you got is the Wheel card. I love this card. This is a major arcana card, and this card is indicating one major aspect, sorry, one major cycle is soon going to end in your life, and the new major cycle is about to begin. And this cycle, this phase of your life will be filled with lots of positivity, lots of opportunities, and lots of blessings. This is a wonderful card. See, you can see all these three cards are very much aligned with each other. The next card you got is Knight of Michael. Alright guys, so I totally understand the kind of changes, the kind of pain that, or the kind of difficulties that you guys are currently experiencing is making you emotionally overwhelmed. But this card is telling you that this is a time to move quickly. Okay, you guys must choose logic over your emotions, because a lot of changes are going to happen. So just be prepared for it, and at that time don't sit and overthink, or just don't crib. Okay, you will know, your heart will tell you ki just get up and take action. So don't miss that advice or miss that guidance from your heart, and take action quickly. Okay, all right. The next card you got is Eight of Autumn. All right, so this card is telling you that if you want to take some decisions in your life, it is better to do proper research. All right, you are advised to meet experts from your field. Okay, just go out and meet people, talk to them. Okay, this is a time to study. Okay, you can enroll for workshops, you can read articles, books. Okay, you can, all right, so this is a time to research properly. So just do not take any decisions impulsively. Do your research thoroughly, and then decide what exactly you would like to do. Then next card you got is Three of Autumn. Wow, I just love this card. And from this deck also you got the same card, Three of Wands. All right, great. So it means that angels are emphasizing that you are going to get lots of opportunities in this coming 6 months. All right, these two cards, this Three of Wands and Three of Autumn, these two cards are very good when it comes to career, money, business opportunities, or about your whatever field that you are working in. It could be simply following your passion, but whatever field that you are currently working in, these two cards are clearly telling you that lots of money is going to come to you, lots of opportunities are going to line up in future. Also, I can see some of you would be traveling to traveling abroad, or traveling to different cities. So it is going to happen. Okay, again the Three of Wands. Okay, so people who are waiting to get promoted, this is a very good card. Promotions, rewards, recognition, everything is going to happen. People are going to follow you. You are going to offered jobs, or promotion, or rewards, awards. This is a wonderful card overall about your career. The next card you got is Nine of Pentacles. You can see this person with lots of money. So this card is telling you that you are going to receive lots of money. Okay, so this is a very good period wherein you are going to yield good returns on your investments. Then you're going to receive bonuses, or some kind of also I see people getting windfall gains. All right, so this is a very good card when it comes to your financial situation. Okay, so you don't worry. And if you also, this card is telling me that if you have any loans, okay, so during this period you will be able to repay those loans, because a lot of money is going to come to you. Alright guys, so these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's check messages from angel cards. Okay, let's check one by one. Playtime, alright. Children. Wow. Wow. Alright. Guys, these cards are very much aligned with the tarot cards. So let's check messages one by one. Okay, I would like to pick this card first. Okay, I just love this card. Okay, this card is promising you that whatever difficulties you guys are facing currently, those difficulties are soon going to end. Alright, there will be a lot of shifts happening. You either you will travel, you will change your houses, or you will change your jobs, you will change your relationships, but lots of positive, okay, positive things are going to happen, positive experiences are lining up for you. All right, and you're going to be very happy with whatever will be the outcome. You're going to feel very happy. You know, you can see this angel dancing over here. So I just love this card, and so expect a lot of happy changes in coming 6 months. Let me pick this card. Okay, children. So if you're worried about your children, please instead of worrying, please pray more. Okay, angels are saying that your children are protected by their guardian angels. All right, so do not worry about your children. Also, if some of you who are trying to conceive, this is a very good card, because this is a message from heaven that soon it is going to happen. So stay relaxed instead of worrying, instead of feeling insecure about your future. Just pray more. This is again a message to people who would like to change their careers. You can do something related to children. Okay, think about it. Could be teaching, counseling, or some activities for children. Think about those career options. Playtime. All right. So guys, I know, I can see from tarot cards that certain areas of your life are not so good and you are experiencing difficulty. However, angels are telling you, okay, this card and this card is very much aligned. So angels are telling you it's okay, all right, yet try to enjoy every moment. Okay, spend time with people who bring fun into your life. Okay, just take life little easy, and you can do that because that's the core energy of number 5. So enjoy more, divert your attention, spend time on activities that makes you laugh. Okay, this card is see only love. So this card is telling you that guys, everything happens for a reason. All right, so whatever painful situations that you are experiencing currently, eventually you will understand why these things happened with me. Okay, so instead of feeling victimized, okay, just try to learn from this life experience. Okay, just ask yourself what this situation is trying to teach me. All right, what are the lessons hidden in this situation? All right guys, so these were the messages for people who selected pile number 1. Do post your comments in the comment section, and now I'll just move on to pile number 2. All those people who selected pile number 2, white flower, these are the cards for you. These are tarot cards. So let's check guys what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. Let's check messages one by one. So the first message you got is 5 of Gabriel. Alright, so it means that in certain areas of your life, things are not going to work out the way you are expecting it to be. Okay, you're going to experience certain level of disappointments. However, angels are clearly guiding you not to cry over spilled milk, because there are so many good things in life, there are so many things which are right in your life, good in your life. You need to consciously focus on those things and try to stay in gratitude zone. The next card you got is Four of Autumn. All right. This card is telling you that don't take anything for granted. Don't assume anything. Okay. You guys need to manage your resources wisely. So your resources could be time, money, or infrastructure, or relationships, or whatever. Resources. Resources is the word. You shouldn't assume that okay, whatever is available today will be available in tomorrow. No, don't take it for a granted. Okay, abundance mindset is a different, but taking things for granted and not utilizing it properly is a different matter altogether. So just be very mindful and use your resources wisely. Wow, I just love this card, guys, the star card. You can just read the message. This is a very beautiful, positive message. A dream come true. Believe in yourself. The end of a difficult situation. Wow, this is a very positive sign. It means that your dreams are gonna come true during these 6 months. Okay, so a lot of good, positive news will come. Then you're gonna feel inspired. You're gonna feel very happy. These are very happy times in terms of relationships. You're gonna enjoy with people around you. Okay, your dreams are gonna get fulfilled. So this is, you're gonna feel very fulfilled in life, happy, basically, satisfied, happiness, positivity. Next card you got is Knight of Wands. All right, this card indicates a lot of movements. All right, this card is very good when it comes to your career. You are gonna feel passionate about your work. Rather, you're gonna receive a lot of inspiration to act. Okay, you're gonna get lots of new ideas, and you're gonna have that motivation. Solid, strong motivation to work towards it, and you will be in an action mode. This absolutely action oriented card. The next card you got is Nine of Winter. Alright, so this card indicates fears, insecurities, or bad dreams. So this card is telling you to spend your nights, especially before you sleep, before you go to bed, meditate for 5 to 10 minutes, listen to music, soft, soothing, meditative music. Because if you are gonna sleep with thoughts of worries and insecurities, then you're gonna attract the same outcome in your life. So before you go to bed, ensure your mind is calm. All right, because this card is also telling you that 99% of your worries or insecurities are totally baseless. Those are not gonna come true. All right, but don't hold on to it. If you hold on to fearful thoughts, obviously law of attraction will ensure you are going to experience similar results in life. But however, this card is telling you that whatever insecurities or worries you have currently in your mind, those are not going to come true. So just don't worry unnecessarily. Alright, the next card you got is Six of Autumn. Wow, I just love this card. This card is about fairness. This card is about justice. This card is very good when it comes to money and career. So this card also indicates you receiving your fair share. So this fair share could be about the money, wealth, or appreciation, recognition, or whatever. So if you are waiting to receive any job offers, definitely this is a very good card. It's a very good card when it comes to career and money, but obviously the message is fair share, so you're going to get that due credit. Alright, next card you got is Perspective. At times you're gonna feel that whatever beliefs that you have are now becoming redundant in life. So this card is telling you to introspect. All right, you must adapt to change with ease, and you guys can do it because that's the core energy of number 5. So this card is inviting you to look at the situation from total different perspective. Okay, okay, all right. Rather, this card is telling you to look at the situation from divine perspective. You must understand that everything happens for a reason. Okay, do not hold on to any situations, or hold on to any grudges. All right, just try to shift your perspective, and for that you must contemplate, you must be open minded, and you guys are open minded. That's the core energy of number 5, and you will find yourself introspecting a lot in coming 6 months in certain areas of your life, and that introspection is going to help you because it will help you to shift your perspective. Next card you got is 7 of Pentacles. All right, it means that, guys, you have taken lots of efforts. Okay, you have done whatever you could do, and only wise thing is to wait now. So this card is asking you to be patient. Okay, so this card is telling you, it's like you have sown seeds, okay, and waiting for the harvest. So obviously you will not force that, you will give nature its time to deliver whatever output that you're expecting. So similarly, this card is telling you to be more patient. Okay, all right. Also, if you're given any job offer, or if you are given any opportunity, then this card is telling you to evaluate it properly. Okay, just don't impulsively accept it, just weigh pros and cons and then make a choice. All right, guys, so these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's check messages from angel cards. All right, creative project, walk away. Next card you got is treasure chest. Wow. All right, fair enough. So we just talked about 7 of Pentacle card and this card, and this card you got it from angel deck is very much aligned with the 7 of Pentacle energy or the message. So this card is telling you caution is warranted. Okay, you need to look deeper into this situation before proceeding further. It means that just weigh pros and cons. Okay, just do not take any decisions impulsively. Next card you got is treasure. Wow, so this card is again very much aligned with the 6 of autumn card. It means whatever money that you are expecting in life to come in, you're gonna blessed with a lot of money. Rather, you're gonna get your fair share. At times you're gonna feel that, oh my god, I expected only XYZ amount of money, but I got more than that. So this is a very positive card. Next card you got is walk away. All right, so as I mentioned, number 5 energy, if you are towards negative side of number 5 energy, then it is easy for you to get addicted to any bad habits. So this card is reminding you that it is high time. Okay, you can make a conscious choice and just stay away from bad habits, stay away from addictions. Also, this card is giving you a message that it is okay to break the relationship if you are not being treated respectfully. Okay, you need not stay in any relationship where you're not respected, or if you're feeling that you just cannot be yourself. Okay, so then just walk away. This card is telling you that just overall for everyone, you need to draw healthy boundaries with people around you. You guys need to be more assertive. All right, and don't be afraid. You can be kind as well as powerful at the same time. Next card you got is creative project. So this card is very much aligned with the 9 of swords card from the tarot deck, because as I mentioned, that you guys must listen to meditation music, especially before you sleep at night. So this card is giving you the same message. And also, if you of late, if you are getting any creative ideas to start new project or something, so angels are saying that those ideas are divinely inspired. Okay, rather angels are giving you those ideas, so follow through it, implement it. Okay, and you're going to get the results. Alright guys, so these were angel cards. So done with pile 2 reading. I will now move on to pile 3. Do post your comments, do like my video, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. All those who selected pile number 3, red flower, here are your cards. These are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. So the first card you got is Lover's card. Wow. So all those people who are waiting to get married, get engaged or get committed into a relationship, love relationship, it is soon gonna happen. This is a very positive card when it comes to love relationships. Okay, so stay more relaxed in your everyday life because it is soon gonna happen. Okay, the Mr. Right or Miss Right will show up soon. Then this card also giving you a message that in certain areas of your life you're going to experience intense decision making process, because so many equally lucrative options are going to be available for you, and you will get overwhelmed because you will feel, oh my god, I don't know what to choose, I don't know what is right for me, I don't know which way to go. But your angel is saying that you must follow your heart, all right, and choose that option. Next card you got is Queen of Michael. Alright, so it means that guys, you need to be more professional with people around you. You must draw healthy boundaries with people around you. You just be clear while communicating with people around you. Use right tone, body language, words. Alright, don't take anything for granted. Don't assume anything. Put just communicate clearly, be it written communication or verbal communication. You just ensure that whatever you want to say it. Don't assume that don't assume that they will understand. No, just be more professional. Next card you got is Two of Gabriel. Alright, so this card is saying that new positive relationships will begin. So these relationships could be professional relationships or personal relationships. Alright, so when it comes to career or a business, this is a very good card for new partnerships to begin. Alright, then at times you're gonna feel that though other party is passive, yet you are feeling that no, I must take an initiative. Alright, so do it, because angels are guiding you to take that action. Alright, so just follow your heart and take required action. Take all the necessary steps to begin this new relationship. Then next card you got is Seven of Swords. So guys, this card is telling you, you guys need to be honest with yourself. Acknowledge your true feelings, acknowledge your true thoughts, opinions. What are you really feeling right now? What do you really want right now? Though other people are of different opinion, okay, just be honest with yourself and ask, what do I want right now? Alright, then this card is telling you that there are better choices available, there are better options available. Don't assume whatever options you have currently on your mind, these are the only ones. No, there are better ways to deal with the situations that you're going through. So explore more. Also be honest with people around you, do not hide anything from them. Then next card you got is World card. Wow, I just love this card, guys. This is a very positive card, and this is a major arcana card. Positive in terms of all the aspects, okay, be it relationships, career, money, health. This card is telling you that a beautiful, positive, new beginning, okay, will soon happen In fact, it is on the card. So one cycle is about to end and another cycle is about to begin. And this new phase, this new cycle of your life is going to bring many opportunities, many blessings, and many positive shifts and experiences in your life. Amazing card, guys. The next card you got is King of Autumn. Wow. Again, this is a very good card when it comes to career or business, or if you are into, even if you're following your passion. So people are going to come to you and they are going to seek your advice, and you're going to offer accurate advice to them. You are going to experience a situation or a phase where you will feel that yes, I am wow, I'm feeling very confident about myself, about my abilities, and people are actually looking up to you, and you will be kind of inspiring them, through your work. It's a very good card if you are looking for job change or promotions as well. The next card you got is Three of Summer. Wow, this card has a very nice, joyful, positive energy, where you're gonna feel that I want to spend some time with friends. Okay, so do that. Okay, this card also telling you a lot of good news will arrive in your life. So be it regarding your personal life or a professional life, you're going to hear many good news. Okay, so expect it is going to happen. Amazing. The next card you got is Three of Swords. Alright, so in certain areas of your life, you are going to experience heartbreaks. Alright, things are not going to work out the way you are expecting it to be. But message from the card is, guys, eventually you will understand why these things happened with you. Alright, so don't hold on to those disappointments or feelings of sadness and everything. Just release it. Ask angels to help you. They are going to be with you to heal your feelings or thoughts. Okay, everything is happening for your highest good. This is the assurance. Though things might look, oh, I'm not liking this, it's so painful, or this is very heartbreaking, but things are happening for your highest good, guys. This is the assurance from the cards. Wow. All right, so these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's understand what messages angel cards would like to give you. Let's understand one by one. Let's check cards one by one. Okay, explore your option. This is very much aligned with the Seven of Swords card that we discussed from tarot deck. Okay, Sun. Again, the new partnership card. Wow, amazing. So guys, the first card you got is explore your options. So don't assume that whatever options that you have in your mind currently, those are the only ones. No, angels are saying keep exploring. Speak with experts in your industry, or read more, watch videos, and just explore your options. Basically, find out, you can keep asking this question, what else is possible, keep asking this, and then angels can present those opportunities in your life. The next card you got is new partner. Again, this is a very amazing card when it comes to love relationship and business partnership. Also, this card is telling you that you might get new friend, all right, and with that friend you are going to connect spiritually. Okay, this is the message. The next card you got is Sun. All right, so guys, if you're worrying about your children, this is a message from angels that your children are well protected. Do not worry about them. I know, at times you're worrying because they're exploring their world, but angels are saying their guardian angels are always with them. All right, so let them explore their world. Do not don't get afraid of allow them to fail. Okay, let them explore their world. Don't get afraid about their safety. They are safe and secured. The next card you got is wow. I just love this card, guys. This is a card of a light worker. So, especially if you're thinking about changing your career, then definitely teaching, counseling, spiritual healing is the field for you. Also, people, many people are guided to write, all right, write, talk about, and share their experiences. So this card is giving you a message that the moment you share your life experiences with others, they are going to get benefited tremendously. So whichever way you choose, through writing, through speaking, or or by changing your field, just do that, because a section of a society is waiting for your contribution, guys. Okay, do not hesitate. Okay, each and every life experience of yours is so valuable. It has such a valuable information, and literally a section of a society is waiting for your contribution. So that's the very positive message that about your abilities and what you can achieve. All right, so guys, I'm done with this pile 3 and angel card reading. All right, so guys, do post your comments and do let me know your feedback, and do subscribe to my channel. Do like this video, and let me know your queries if you have, and stay tuned, because I'll be making separate videos on numbers 6, 7, 8 and 9. Thank you so much.